Hi guys, welcome to weekly mentoring video. It's Monday, October 26, 2020, and we're having very special mentoring video as always this week. And it's mostly because we're getting closer to US elections on 3rd November. So we're in the earnings season, the markets are crazy, we still have our healthcare issue all around us, and lots of things are going on and lots of things are happening, and people are asking me how am I reacting to this situation, how am I protecting myself, how am I making currency, using this kind of situations, what my strategy is. We're going to talk a little bit about this, and you will see this actually reflected in the portfolio, which we're running out in here on Thinkorswim. Before we go there and I show you what's going on the portfolio, as always, I'm bringing up the disclaimer. Come back, disclaimer. This video is for information, educational purposes only, and is general in nature. I'm not giving any advices here, so you need to be aware that this is just where I'm teaching you about option trading. I'm showing you my paper portfolio. I'm putting virtual trades in there. So first of all, let's just start by looking at the positions. So you can see that we don't have many, they were reduced significantly. And if you look at the major risk variables here, delta and theta, which we're usually mostly interested in, you see that I'm a little bit bearish here, and this bearishness comes from the position that I decided to take, I guess it was on Thursday or something like this, when I saw, or Friday, or maybe even later, when I saw that the markets are kind of heading downwards and there is a lot of uncertainty. You will see this when I show you the chart of S&P 500. So I didn't know what's going to happen on Monday. Are we going to open up really low, which we actually did, gap down. So this is my insurance. I bought it a little bit too early, so you see it actually shows a little loss now, but I'm introducing a little bit of negative delta in here just in case something drops, and when we will look at the S&P 500 chart, you will understand why I've done this. So healthcare, discretionary, utilities, they had a pretty good run. Look at this is a pretty nice run. Utilities are performing really well compared to the other industries, and looks like they're uptrending and they can continue this because they built this nice flag up with actually upwards potential. I think they may go high. We'll look into the utilities today. Maybe that makes sense. Utilities look really good. Real estate standing still with a little bit of you see the sideways trend stuck in the box, sitting on the today now it's actually below all the moving averages, so it may suggest a little bit of downwards movement, real estate, which would make sense actually. Real estate is not really doing great in current times of the healthcare issue being there, and people, velocity of money being very slow. People, people don't spend, so lots of businesses close, lots of real estate, commercial real estate is standing waiting there to be rented basically, and there is no guys who want to rent that. Small businesses are not doing very well, so commercial real estate is not really doing very good, and that probably has an impact on that. And we can also have a look at our S&P futures position. If I analyze and I go and see positions, and here I can just drop to my future position. Here you can see it's like shorting a stock, right? It's a short position, except with leverage. So let's say that S&P 500 drops to 3,300. I'm making 1K on this. Protects my portfolio, right? A lot. So right now you see we continue dropping, and this is where I'm currently at, And of course, with this position, I have a stop loss already put, probably. No, it's not visible here. Or no, I made a mistake of creating a stop loss good for the day. When you make a stop losses, you should be making them good till cancelled, right? For now, I think I'm not going to be putting anything on as drops. I'm going to probably introduce one trailing stop or something like this later on for MES to get me out of this position when I see that